Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable payment reminders for commercial insurance with Embroker. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable payment reminders for commercial insurance with Embroker, start by logging into your Embroker account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Policies section on the left sidebar. Click on Policies to view your current insurance policies. Select the specific policy for which you want to set payment reminders. You will be directed to the Policy Details page. Scroll down to the Payment Options section. Here, look for the Enable Payment Reminders toggle. Switch the toggle to the On position. A prompt may appear, asking you to confirm your choice. Confirm that you want to enable the reminders. Next, choose the preferred method of receiving reminders, such as email or SMS. Enter your contact details if not already saved. Adjust the reminder frequency based on your preference. Options may include reminders days, weeks, or a month in advance. After customizing your settings, click on the Save Changes button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that payment reminders are now enabled. Check your notifications to ensure the changes have taken effect. Congratulations, you've successfully set up payment reminders for your commercial insurance with Embroker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.